It's been 4 years of Ciaz dominance in this segment, and after this period, Maruti had offered a decent but an appealing facelift to the Ciaz. Up front, you get an all-new slim grille and a new bumper too. Talk about chrome and you get the LED fog lamps enclosed in it, and even the grille is between these two chrome bars. The most new and a great addition to this is the LED headlamps with LED DRLs too. There are not any major changes in the back, and the tail lights are not LED as are the headlamps, but chrome is sure integrated well. There is a long chrome bar, and the rear reflectors to get a full enclosure of chrome. The side of the car has maintained its neutral and long design, and with the 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, the Ciaz sure catches more attention. The interior of the Ciaz is more or less the same. Apart from the usual black and beige theme, the wooden strip dividing these two colors is in a lighter shade, and there is also a chrome strip running above the wooden strip. The steering mounted audio controls got newly organized as they've made room for the new cruise control. The gauge cluster has some cool lights and it has been reprofiled. Between these two dials there is this small MID which has lots of features in it. Turbines can swallow full 1 liter bottle, and the glove box has decent amount of storage in it. The center console, which opens smoothly, has 2 cup holders here and a shelf behind it to store your belongings. There is also a 12-volt socket and a USB and auxiliary connective port. The front seat of the Ciaz really provide the comfort that one expects from a sedan, and the automatic climate control makes this just perfect. And for a little entertainment, you get this 7-inch infotainment system which has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in it. Up on the roof, you get 2 lights and sunglasses holder. You get a push start-stop button. The rear seats have acres of space. Comfort is great thanks to adjustable headrest, center armrest and rear sun blind.
For your additional convenience, you get a AC vent, a 12-volt socket, and beneath that some storage. The only problem is with the middle passenger because it lacks legroom and there is no headrest.
In terms of boot space, Ciaz is best in class with its massive boot of 510 liters. The Ciaz has a 1.5 liter petrol engine generating 103 bhp of power at 6000 rpm and a torque of 138 Newton meter at 4400 rpm. Because of all these reasons, the Ciaz cost 12 lakhs.